Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you the only way to reheat pizza. I'm telling you, do not disgrace your pizza by microwaving it, boiling it, putting it in the oven, none of that. I'm telling you, it's going to come out stale, the crust is going to be hard to chew. Just reheat your pizza on top of the stovetop. It's so easy. All you need to do is put your pan on medium-low heat, add the pizza, and then cover it. And what that's gonna do is help circulate the heat that's inside to cook the top of the pizza. You don't need to add oil, nothing. There's already plenty of oil already in the crust, and that'll help reheat the pizza and also make it crispy as if it was day one, the day you got the pizza. And I'm telling you that it even tastes better than the day you got it because of the fact it's just fresh. It's like hot. Not, you know, the pizza guy hasn't spent 20 minutes delivering the pizza to you and you get it warm. It's fresh and hot. I'm telling you, it's really the best way to reheat your pizza. And all you need to do is while you're eating one, you just put another one on top and heat that one. You don't even have to wait. Like seriously, look at how amazing this pizza looks. Look at the colors. It looks fresh, it looks crispy, and then the best part, listen to this. Tell me that does not sound like a pizza that you just want to put in your mouth. I'm telling you, it's the best way to reheat pizza. Don't do it any other way, or I will find you and I will take your pizza away from you and eat it myself. Listen to this. You're not gonna get that kind of crunch reheating your pizza with a fucking paper towel, wet paper towel in the microwave, or fucking boiling or some bullshit. Reheat your pizza on the stovetop. Trust me, you will not regret it.